Hello Ananda. Today we can see the CSS properties with selectors. We can see the today examples. Total 5 examples we can see related to the selectors. First we can start with the one small program. We can see. Here we are going to be written small program by using CSS property. How we need to apply by using element. If we are using element means here we are going to be using the paragraph element means this paragraph element only it should be affected. Remaining elements these properties will not be affected. See in this example HTML opening tag, head opening tag, in the style tag here we have created one property by using paragraph element. How to write the selectors? First use the HTML element within the curly braces. There we are going to be return which one property and value. Which property we are going to be using here? Text aligned, value will be center. And again second property also we have declared color red. Means text color will be paragraph text color will be in which color? Red color. Then we are going to be closing the style tag and head tag also we are going to be closing. Next in the body section paragraph, every paragraph will be affected by the style. Means here we are going to be using paragraph means each and every paragraph will be affected by the center will be aligned and red color will be displayed. In the next paragraph here we are going to be using the ID selector. Then we are going to be giving the thumbnail. Here we are not going to be declared here ID selector. Means this paragraph whatever properties we have declared here it won't be affected. This paragraph will not going to be affected. Means it should be in which color? Which color? Here we are not declared means it should be in black color or red color. You can see the output. Next another paragraph will be created and body will be closing and HTML also we are going to be closing. Next we can run the program. We are going to be running the program. See here. Every paragraph will be affected by the style. Me too and me also. Means what is the meaning of here? In this particular program, here we are going to be declaring how many paragraphs? 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs will be paragraph properties. CSS properties will be applicable here. That is the main thing. If we are using the ID also, we are not going to be declaring the ID in the style section. Then also whatever paragraph CSS property we have written, by default it should be affected by all the paragraphs. If you are declaring head here it won't be affected. Only it should be applicable for the all paragraphs in HTML body section. That's it. This program is ended. By using that, what is the main motive? Whatever element selector name we are going to be using, that element only it should be applicable in the body section. This next program we can see. In the second program, here we are going to be declaring the HTML opening tag, head section, style we are going to be opening. Then we are going to be creating one ID selector. How to write the ID selector? First use the hash symbol, then parallel, then we are going to be written the style. Which style we are going to be using here? Text align center we are going to be using and color also it should be displayed in red. Style will be closed, head section will be closed. Next in the body section this paragraph in the body section here we are going to be declaring how many paragraphs? 3 paragraphs again. Every paragraph will be affected by the not affected. Here it won't be affected, not affected. Which will be affected? Class ID in which paragraph we are going to be representing that particular paragraph only it should be affected. Means it should be this paragraph will be in which color? By default browser color. Next in the second paragraph here we are going to be using the selector ID, then me too, and in the paragraph third paragraph me we are going to be declared. Then we can see the output how it should be displayed. First and third paragraph will be normal. Means it should be in black color. Second paragraph will be aligned center and it should be color will be red. We can see the output also. We can run the program. See here. First and third paragraph will be normal color. Second paragraph will be we are going to be applying the selector ID. Which selector ID? Class ID selector we are going to be using. By using that, here we are going to be representing the center will be aligned and color should be, text color will be in which color? Red color. That is the use of the selector ID. Whenever we are going to be using the selector IDs in HTML by using CSS properties, it should be applicable unique paragraph only. It will not related to another paragraph. When here we can apply when we are going to be implementing JavaScript program, it will not run. At that time we are going to be getting some error. That is the main motive. Whenever we are going to be using the ID selectors means it should be applicable to only unique element only, not all the paragraph elements. Only particular unique element only should be applicable. Remaining elements it won't be affected. Next, we can see the third program. The third program, here we are going to be using the selector. Which selector? Class selector. Class selector. Whenever we are going to be using the class selector means it should be applicable to the all the elements in HTML body section, where we are going to be representing the class selector name. That element will be affected. We can see the first HTML opening tag, head section we are going to be opening, style tag also we are going to be opening. Selector ID will be class selector ID we are going to be created. Class selector name will be center, text align will be center and color will be red. We can change the color here. Blue color we are going to be changing. Next, style head section we are going to be closing. In the body section, how many paragraphs will be created? First, head H1 level, heading level. Here we are going to be applying the center is the class selector name, red centered aligned. Here means H1 will be affected. Next, every paragraph affected by every paragraph will be affected. Now this paragraph will not going to be affected because of here we are not, in this particular paragraph we are not going to be applying the class selector. Next, in the second paragraph, here we are going to be applying the which one? Class selector we are going to be applying and me2 will be applied. Means output should be displayed in which color? First H1 will be in blue color, text and center will be aligned. Next paragraph it should be in black color, it will be left alignment, means here we are not applicable any CSS property. Next second paragraph we are going to be using the class selector, then it should be blue color, it should be displayed and it should be aligned center. Next paragraph we are not going to be using any class selector, means it should be applicable to default colors. We can see the output also. See here. Color will not be changed. We can see the white because blue we have given. Then we need to save this file. Once again we need to run this one. See here. Head 1 will be in which color? Black color, and remaining will be, this will not be affected and second paragraph will be affected. This one. Next, we can see the another example. Another example will be fourth one. Class selector is over, ID selector is over. In the next section, by using paragraph, here we are going to be using the two class selectors at a time. Means paragraph will be using at a time center class selector also and large class selector also at a time. Means it should be applicable or not, we can see the output. First, in the HTML program will be started by using the HTML element and head section, style tag we are going to be opening. Then we are going to be using the p dot center, means class selector will be created by using particular paragraph element, text will be aligned center, color will be red color. Next, in the second p dot large selector, class selector will be created, font size will be 300%. Next, style will be closing and head section will also close. In the body section, H1 class selector we are going to be giving. Center means this center class selector we are going to be written, means this will be affected, center will be aligned or red color will be displayed? No, because of this class selector will be related to this particular paragraph only. It is not related to other element. Next, it won't be affected. Next paragraph class equal to center we are going to be giving means this paragraph will be red and centered aligned and font size will not be affected. Next, paragraph center large. At a time we are going to be using the two classes at a time. Means it should be centered red color also and it should be applicable to the font size also. We can see the output here. See here. Red color will be, center will be aligned and H1 heading will not be affected here. This one is over. In the next selector, here we are going to be using the universal class selector. In the universal class selector, if you are using means whatever elements we are going to be using in HTML body section, that these properties will be applicable to the all the HTML body section. Means see here, in the style tag we are going to be creating the universal selector, star symbol we are going to be using, text will be aligned to center, color will be blue and we are going to be closing the head style tag head section also. In the body section, H1 element we are going to be opening, paragraph also we are going to be opened and we are going to be opening the which one? We are going to be opening the H1, H2. See here. Means it should be displayed in which color here? H1 will be aligned center also, blue also. Paragraphs also will be aligned center and paragraph also. Means universal selector, what is the meaning of here? Whatever elements we are going to be using in the body section, these properties will be applicable to the all the elements in the body section. That is the meaning. We can see the output here. See here. All the elements will be affected and it should be displayed blue color and center will be aligned. Tomorrow we can see the examples, backgrounds. Thank you, Varunda.